What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video on learning Python. My name is QDS Danny and you guys are watching my channel Kuraiwood. Alright, so in this video we're gonna see what is for loop, the mighty for loop in Python. Alright, so the for loop is very huge in Python. It's one of the most used and one of the most powerful one in Python. You guys can use it anywhere inside the Python. So basically the for loop is like a looping, as the name suggests. Is iterating or iteration. It goes round and round. So what is looping? Looping is like going in a circle. A wheel of the car is loops, so it goes round and round. It's say if you guys going to a shopping center and the shopping center is distance, it has a 1 kilometer away from your house. So when you start the car, the tire loop and loop and loop and loop, it goes round and round and round till you guys get to the shopping center or the places of your choice, doctor, dentist, whatever appointment. And the another example is when you guys washing your plates. So you guys eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. You guys go there, and then the same plates, it goes like in loop. You guys wash, you guys put it there, you guys eat, then you guys bring it to the washing machine, or you guys wash by hand, and then it goes back to the table and it comes back. So it goes in a loop. Same our cups, we eat coffee, we same like our cups, we drink coffee, beverages, or anything else like a glass, we drink something inside the glass and we put it in under the water, we wash, and then we put it on the table, and then we do it again and again and again. So we use one glass every day, it goes in a loop. Same with everything else, like a day and night, it goes in a loop. You wake up, you go to work, you go to school, whatever, and then you sleep, you wake up, you sleep, you wake up. So life is all, everything goes in a loop. So that's exactly true with the for loop in Python. But in Python, for loop is very, you guys don't see the for loop with the range. What is the range? Range is inbuilt Python function, and it has 3 parameters inside. The first one is you guys can use with the start, then you guys can use with the stop, then you guys can use it with step. Alright, so for example, if you guys gonna do for say for example x in range, that's how you guys gonna put it. And then you guys need to put a column here for x in range. For example, your range is for example 5. Then you increment that one just like a while loop. Then it goes like 1 2 3. Say for example it goes to, your loop starts with 1, then goes 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. So this is the first one. And then you guys gonna put it for x in range 5. If you guys don't want to put anything else, that by all means you guys can do this. You guys use this for the first part, but if you guys want to do the second part, so you guys gonna do this. So your loop goes from the 5, starts from the 5, and then it goes all the way to 6, 7, and then it goes all the way to 10. That's how you guys go. And the last one is a step. So how you guys gonna, if you guys want to go, say for example, if you guys want to go from say 2 to from 2 to 10, if your starting point is 2 and you guys going all the way, what's the step? So you guys gonna put a 2. So I want this one to jump, say you go to 4, 6, 10, whatever you guys want. So it goes to 2, then it goes to, for example, 4, then it goes 6. But if you put a 3, it jumps 3. So there are 3 ways in Python. Whichever way you guys want to use, you guys can use by all means. Very very useful, very very powerful, and you guys can do work out a very complicated situation in a matter of minutes with the for loop in Python. And as I said, the for loop is very easy. It requires only few explanations, so you guys know the for loop. Every other programming language, C++, C, name it, Python is no exception, PHP, every programming language on this planet has a for loop. because for loop is one of the most important. Iteration is one of the most important aspect of the programming. I think it's one of the pillars of the programming language, because without the tire the car won't go ahead. So because it needs something to loop. That's exactly true with the programming. You guys need to loop a lot of things in your programming. Say in PHP there are a lot of for loop for each loop in every programming language, because you guys are going to go to for each loop. And then you guys going to see in C++ or C or any other programming, you guys going to find for loop. So the for loop is very important, but Python's taking this one in one step ahead of every other programming language, because they introduced the range. And the range, the first one is going to be start, then the second one is going to be step, and the third one is going to be the first one is going to be start, then stop, then step. So there is three main parameters here. So and now we're going to see for x in range. For x in range, and your range is, what's your range going to be? Say for example our range is going to be 5, and then we put a print, and we're going to put a F for format, and we put a, say for example, number counting, and then we put X here. So we put our formatting, and then you guys can put this one upper counting, and then you just put your delimiter for expression, and that's about it. Okay, now we're going to run our for loop. So as I said to you guys, now we're going to just to use the start ones, we're going to run. Okay, so now we're going to come here, and you're going to see that's our for loop is going from 0 all the way to 4, but not including 5, because our range one is not including 5. Alright, so we have used only 1. So how about we use the, say from 5 to 15. We start our loop in range, and then now we're stopping our loop to 15. Alright, so now we use the second one, and then you guys look here. We started from the 5 all the way to go to 14, because the range loop is not including this one, whatever number you guys. So keep in mind it's starting to, because the first one is including the 5, but the last one is not including. So your number 15 is not including, is up to, it goes up to the number. So keep in mind that range works only with the up to. So it goes from the 5, that's a fixed one. So if you do from say 2 all the way to 20, so it starts from the 2 but not including this 20. So with the Python you guys don't see now this number 20. So now we're gonna put the third one, which is step, and I say to you guys can put a 2 or 3, whatever number you guys want to put. So we can put a 2, because we want to jump 2 every time it goes iteration, every loop. So you want to jump, you don't want to see like this one, because 5 6 7 8 9 10 is just like counting. But how about if you do like jumping? Okay, so now we're gonna run. This one is a lot easy. If you look in here, that was so quick. It was 2 4 6 8 10 12 13 14 16. So it's jumping is up to the 20 but not including 20. So you look in here, that went all the way to 18 and it stopped. So that's how it is. So it starts from the 2. So you guys can do it start from the 5, and then you can do it say 3, and you guys move this one to 30 for example. You guys can put any other number. So the first one, keep in mind this one is start, and this guy is here is stop, and this one is a step. So now we've seen this one how we jump with the numbers. So the numbers, we are jumping in our loop with the 2 2 4 6 8 10, and then that's how you guys gonna figure out this one. So from 5 we start from the 5 but up to 30, not including 30, and the step is 3. So now we're gonna jump. The step 1 is 3. So now if you run, now you're gonna see that's 5 8, 11 all the way to 29, but not 30. So you guys are going to see that you're jumping 3 every step of the way. Now it's going to be 17 to 20, 23, 26 and 29, but not including 30. So if you guys want to see it like this one in a bird's eye view, I'm gonna put everything here. Now we have done this one. You guys can copy this one, and you guys can put this one here, the first one, and that's the second one. Okay, so the first one is gonna be, we're gonna count till say for example 5, and that one's gonna be 5, and this guy is gonna be in the from say 5 we go till say 10 for example. Alright, so this guy here, now we're gonna go from the 10, so this guy is gonna from the 10 all the way to 20. What's the step? Step 2, jump 2 for us. Okay, so you guys can do this way as well. You guys can print nice something nice on top. That's the first one's gonna be only 1. It's gonna be, you guys go here and then you guys gonna need to start and you just finish here. That's it. The second one is the start and stop. The third one is gonna be start, stop and step. Start, stop, step. Very easy to remember. So if you're gonna come here and if you run, you're gonna see the 3 of them. So it's gonna be 1 all the way to 4, then it starts from the 5 all the way to say 9, and it starts from the 10 all the way to 20, but not including 20, up to 20 but not including. So that's how it is, and you guys can put a print. A line, and you can put a print, another line here, so you guys distinguish which is which. And if you run again, you guys gonna see it is, because it's now looping that one as well. So the first one's looping all the way there, but not the last one, because the last one we didn't put. So because now it's counting this one as well, because this now count this one as well, so we might as well remove this, because they're all in one line. You guys can print something nice on top. It's printing this and that. It's printing the start and stop and step. So that's what the for loop is in Python. Very useful. So in the next videos, in the future videos, we're gonna work extensively with the for loop, and keep in mind the first one is the start and the second one is up to whatever number you guys, but not including, if you've seen that. And this is the step you guys want to jump, or if you don't put this one, then you guys are going to go consecutive numbers. So you guys are going to go from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, or if you put this one, then you guys go 2 4 6 8 whatever, all the way to 10, whatever number your number stops, your loop stops. So this is the for loop in Python. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.